Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to read exercises of fair play. So you will repeat after me. So are you ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Let's start. Working with the text.
Working with the text.
A. Match the sentences under first
Match the sentences under first
with those under second.
with those under second.
First.
First,
1. Jumman and Algu were the best of friends.
Juman and Algu were the best of friends.
2.
2.
Jumman's aunt transferred her property to him.
Juman's aunt transferred her property to him.
3.
3.
The aunt decided to appeal to the panchayat.
The aunt decided to appeal to the panchayat.
4.
4.
Algu was unwilling to support the aunt.
Algu was unwilling to support the aunt.
5.
5.
Jumman was very happy to hear
Juman was very happy to hear
Algu's name as head punch.
Algu's name as head punch.
Second.
Second,
1. He believed that his friend would never go against him. 2. She wanted justice.
she wanted justice.
3.
3.
In the absence of one,
In the absence of one,
the other took care of his family.
the other took care of his family.
4.
4.
The condition was that
The condition was that
he would be responsible for her welfare.
he was responsible for her fare.
5.
5.
The bond of friendship between him and Jumman was very strong.
The bond of friendship between him and Juman was very strong.
B.
B.
Who says this to whom and why?
Who says and to whom to why?
1 of B.
One of me.
My wife knows best how to run the house.
My wife knows best how to run the house.
2 of B.
2 of me.
But is it right,
But it is right,
my son,
my son,
to keep mum and not say
to keep mum and not say
what you consider just and fair?
what you consider just as fair?
3 of B.
3 of thee.
What have you to say in your defense?
What have you to say in your defense?
4 of B.
4 of thee.
I can't pay you a penny
I can't pay for penny.
for the rest beast you sold me. 5 of B.
5 of thee.
Victory to the panchayat.
Victory to the panchayat.
This is justice.
This is justice.
C.
C.
Answer the following questions.
Answer the following questions.
1 of C.
1 of C.
Then the situation changed.
Then the situation changed.
What is being referred to?
What is being referred to?
2 of C.
2 of C.
When Jumman's aunt realized
When Juman's aunt realized
that she was not welcome in his house,
that she was not welcome in his house,
what arrangement did she suggest?
what arrangement did she suggest?
3 of C.
3 of C.
What was the villagers' reaction
What was the villager's reaction
when the aunt explained her case to them?
when the aunt explained her case to them?
4 of C.
4 of C.
Why was Jumman happy
Why was Juman happy
over Algu's nomination as head punch?
over Algu's nomination as head punch?
5 of C.
5 of C.
God lives in the heart of the punch.
God lives in the heart of the punch.
The aunt said.
The aunt said,
What did she mean?
what did she mean?
6 of C.
6 of C.
What was Algu's verdict as head punch?
What was Algu's verdict as head punch?
How did Jumman take it?
How did Juman take it?
7 of C.
7 of C.
Algu found himself in a tight spot.
Algu found himself in a tight spot.
What was his problem?
What was his problem?
8 of C.
8 of C.
Why was Algu upset?
Why was Algu upset?
over Juman's nomination as head punch? 9 of C. What was Juman's verdict as head punch?
Juman's verdict as head punch.
How did Algu take it?
How did Algu take it?
10 of C.
10 of C.
Which of the following sums up the story best?
Which of the following sums up the story best?
First of 10.
First of 10.
I also know that
I also know that
you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship.
you will not kill your conscience for sake of friendship.
Second of 10.
Second of 10.
Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth,
Justice and truth.
for friendship or enmity.
For friendship or enmity.
Third of 10. The voice of the punch is the voice of God.
The voice of the punch is the voice of the God.
Give a reason for your choice.
Give a reason for your choice.
Working with language.
Working with language.
A. Replace the italicized portion of each sentence below with a suitable phrase from the box. Make necessary changes wherever required. Look after. Swallow. Make it up. Keep mum. Go into. Ease. One's conscience. As ill luck would have it. A tight spot. Take chances.
Chances.
My heart sang.
My heart sang.
1 of A.
1 of 8.
The best way to avoid an unnecessary argument
Best way to avoid unnecessary argument
is to remain silent.
is to remain silent.
2 of A.
2 of 8.
Unfortunately,
Unfortunately,
the train I was trying to catch was cancelled.
the train I was to try to catch was cancelled.
3 of A. He has been told not to take risks
Not to take risks
while driving a car
while driving a car
through a crowded street.
through a crowded street.
4 of A. The patient needs to be properly taken care of. 5 of A. Why don't the two of you end your quarrel by shaking hands? 6 of A. I was in a difficult situation till my friends came to my rescue. 7 of A. When I saw a pile of dirty dishes, I felt very disappointed. 8 of A. I will examine the matter carefully before commenting on it. 9 of A. They criticized him in the meeting, but he accepted without protest all the criticism. 10 of A. It will free me from worry to know that I had done nothing wrong. Look at the following phrases and their meanings. Use the phrases to fill in the blanks in the sentences given below. Set up, put in place or start. Set aside, save or keep for a particular purpose. Set down, write or record. Set out, start on a journey. Set in, begin and seem likely to continue. 1 of B. Why don't you dash your ideas on paper? 2 of B. A fund has been dashed for the soldiers' families. 3 of B. We should dash a little money every month. 4 of B. You should buy some woolen before winter dash. 5 of they dash on the last stage of their journey. Speaking and writing. Look at the following picture. One asks a question. The other answers it. Then the answer is noted in a form as shown below. Do you like to meet people? Yes, I do. But not always. I do have some close friends. The. Kindly write it in the form. Questions. 1. Do you like to meet people? 2. Do you like the area you live in? Yes or no? Yes, I do. But not always. No, I don't. Additional response. I do have some close friends though. But I have no choice. B. Work in small groups. Ask your partner the question given below. If possible, ask him or her a reason for saying yes or no. Then tick yes or no. Whichever is proper. 1 of B. Do you have a separate room for sleep and study? Yes or no? 2 of B. Would you prefer to live in a joint family? Yes or no? 3 of B. Do you get on with people? Yes or no? 4 of B. Do you like the area you live in? Yes or no? 5 of B. Do you find the place overcrowded? Yes or no? 6 of B. Do you use public transport? Yes or no? 7 of B. Would you like a vehicle of your own? Yes or no? 8 of B. Do you like reading? Yes or no? 9 of B. Would you like to be a teacher, doctor, engineer, or architect? Yes or no? C. Now that you have completed the above project, write a brief report stating what you did, how you did it, and the conclusion. Dictation. Your teacher will speak the words listed below Write against each a word of opposite meaning. Examples. Liquid, solid. Hard, soft. 1, old. 2, wet. 3rd, open. 4, blunt. 5, forget.